All right, another Ford accessory upgrade for my wife's 2025 Ford Maverick. There's Vinny. Last week we put on a gate assist, which is like a mini shock that helps the tailgate go down slow. And when you put one of these on, you have to take off this bracket because it won't work. It'll actually hit. It's a tie-down bracket. This is the other side. There's only one gate assist shock needed. So I bought on Amazon a replacement bracket that's supposed to actually fit on there. And we're going to open up the package and slap this guy on there. It's a T30 torque bit. And the screws are really easy to get off. So I'm going to try to keep rolling with this and make this a quick video, so I don't have to do too much editing. Package is big. I think this bracket, you had to buy two of them, was I don't know, $16, $17, $18, which I'm like, I only need one. It's always, yeah, that's always what happens. So I'm trying to open this up halfway decent in case I have to return it. So you get two of these guys. Open this one up. There it is. And we're going to come over here and put this bad guy on. Piece of cake, right? And every time I say piece of cake, that's when things get a little weird. So when I took the factory bracket off, when I put this gate assist on, these screws were not very tight. And I slapped them back on and threw a stainless steel washer, just because that's what I do. Very exciting. Get this stuff all the way. We don't need these washers anymore. Looks like they kind of made the side mount universal, because there's a this is going to be cake. We'll see if it shuts though. That's my concern about hitting that gate assist shock. Oh, that's not gonna hit, I don't think. Nope. No hitting. It's close. You can see, probably can put 2 quarters in between that spot. But we'll take that as a win. Alright. Hit the like and subscribe buttons if the video helped you out. That was an easy one. That actually took probably 2 or 3 minutes. Actually, the camera says 4 minutes and 57, 8, 9, done. 5 minutes.
No way!